Hello dear student, welcome to IMS GATE Academy, a division of IMS Learning Resources Private Limited. Student, in this session we are going to discuss about IITs, NITs, specialization, cutoff as well as placements. Dear student, if you have written GATE 2022 exam and if you are looking for the general cutoff of IITs, NITs, then this is a session dedicated to you. Dear student, before going to start, I would like to inform you about the home gate classes, live classes at the IMS GATE Academy platform. Student, we are having dedicated English batch also and Hindi batch also. If you are comfortable in English, if you are from South, then you can take admission in our English batches where faculty going to teach in English language only. Student, you have scope to get 20% discount on our GATE classes. When you will use this promo code TGA20, you will get instant 20% discount, and you guys can visit our website imsindia.com/gate. Student, if we talk about in this particular session, I am going to cover these IITs and NITs and we'll discuss about the specialization, and this particular complete session going to be dedicated for electronics and communication stream. So student, if we talk about electronics and communication, and my team members already also made a videos for CS, EE, mechanical, civil also. So if you are from any branch, you guys can see the videos on this YouTube channel only. So you can subscribe our channel and you guys can stay tuned on this YouTube channel. Dear student, if we talk about electronics and communication, I am going to inform in this session what about the specialization offered by IITs, NITs, and what are the general cutoff of last 2 year 2021 or 2022. So student, this is the sequence we are going to cover. We are going to cover IIT Bombay, Madras, Delhi, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Roorkee, Guwahati, Bangalore, and these are the NIT. We'll discuss one by one. So if you talk about the first of all student, how you will get how you guys apply for the admission in the IITs for MTech. So student, after the GATE result, you guys need to visit the COAP portal. You guys just type COAP on Google, you will get the website, and here you need to do the registration guys, and this is the flow chart that you can see here. First of all, you need to do registration. After that, read the procedure instruction, accept terms and condition. These are the following data student that you should have: GATE registration number, GATE paper code, GATE score, name of the candidate, date of birth, email ID, mobile number. So after that, you need to submit the registration. You will receive a login information via email or SMS. Finally, you need to log in and do just verify the registration details, enter additional GATE scores also, and submit. So student, these are the possible states that you need to follow. You guys need to visit the COAP portal to apply admission process for IITs. Student, if we talk about first of all IIT Bombay, IIT Mumbai has been ranked as 117 in the QS World Ranking, and NIRF has ranked IIT Mumbai at 3 for the both overall and engineering category. Offers best environment for research and development. If we talk about the specialization offered by IIT Bombay for electronics and communication, so first specialization communication engineering, control and computing, electronic system, integrated circuit system, and solid state devices. So these are the specialization provided by IIT Bombay for electronics and communication. As I told you already, similarly, or my team members already made the videos for EE also, mechanical specialization, civil specialization, CS specialization also, and you will get all these video on this YouTube channel only. So student, if we talk about the general cutoff, so general cutoff, these are the general cutoff for last year 2020 and 2021. You can see the communication, control, electronic, integrated, and solid. These are the general cutoff guys that you can see here: 746-807, 730-856, 822, 856, 912, 884, 712, 762. Student, you can see here I have mentioned the cutoff for OBC, EWS, SC, ST also. So in whichever category you like, guys, you can see the cutoff. Even you can take the screenshot also. So student, these are the branch wise, these are the specialization wise cutoff here of the last 2 years. So you will get a nearby approximate idea that whatever gate score you will get once the gate result will come, you can see student like which IIT and which specialization you guys can apply for. So dear student, these are the general placement companies. Here student, I have written here top recruiter. So IIT Bombay, if we talk about IIT Bombay, so the general companies are Qualcomm, the top recruiters are Intel, Texas Instruments, Samsung, HP, Google. You can see here. Now we talk about the important dates. So in general students, if we talk about advertisement, online application process generally start in last week of March, and you know very well student, in mid of March generally IIT announced the gate results. So dear student, written test and interview schedule details last week of April. This time you know that gate 2022 was conducted by IIT Kharagpur only. So student, date of written test and interview is first week of June. So these are the some tentative dates, my dear student, or you can say the tentative time period when you should see the overall, and you guys need to visit the website of IIT Bombay regularly if you are looking for to take admission in the IIT Bombay for your MTech. Student, if we talk about the next, that is IIT Madras. IIT Madras ranked as 255 in QS World ranking. IIT Madras has been ranked as the best educational institution in the country under the National Institutional Ranking Framework. The NIRF full form is nothing but this. Now number one student, ranking number one, offered best environment for research and development with well equipped with teaching laboratories and advanced research facility. If we talk about the specialization, dear student, IIT Madras offered communication and signal processing, microelectronics and VLSI design, control and instrumentation, RF and photonics, integrated circuit and system. So these are the specialization provided by IIT Madras for electronics and communication students. If we talk about the next cutoff, you guys can see the cutoff for the respective specialization. For 2021, 2022, if we talk about general, if we talk about general category, then 751, 762, 860, 876, 788, 796, 743, 813, 880, and 755. So these are the general cutoff, guys, for communication, microelectronics, control, RF, and integrated circuit respectively. You guys see the respective cutoff for SC, ST, OBC, and EWS as well. Now I am going for the next, guys. These are the top recruiter for the IIT Madras. If we talk about Google, the Intel, Goldman Sachs, Samsung, and Microsoft. Now student, we are going to discuss about some important dates. So student, why I am covering these important dates also, so that you will get a nearby idea that by second week of March or by first week of April, whatever is here, you guys need to visit the website of IITs time to time, so that, my dear student, you will not lose anything. Okay, you should know about each and every steps, how you guys can apply for the admission process and all. So advertisement begin in second last week of March, beginning of online application process last week of March, written test last week of April, and student, interview schedule you will get last week of April, but written test conducted in the last week of May. We have seen in the IIT Bombay it was first week of June. So it is this is the student general time. We can say that you will get an overall approximate idea for that. Okay. Now I am going for the next student. The next is IIT Delhi. So we talk about IIT Delhi. Its NIRF ranking is 4 and its QS ranking is 185. We talk about the specialization offered by IIT Delhi: communication engineering, control and automation, integrated electronics and circuits. So these are the specialization provided by IIT Delhi for electronics and communication. In this session, I am not taking about electrical, mechanical, civil, because I have already told you for the different branches, we have made dedicated videos. My team member already made the videos. So you will get all the videos on this YouTube channel only, guys. So stay tuned on this YouTube channel and you will get all these information branch wise. Student, if we talk about the cutoff here, you guys can see here the cutoff for communication engineering control integrated 2019-20, because we are not having correct data for 21 updated on the website. So whatever I am covering here, that is the official data, guys. So 21 data because not available on the IIT Delhi website, so that is why I am covering 19 and 20 data. So you will get the approximate nearby idea, guys. 740, 860 for communication, control 750, 780, and integrated circuit 775 and 920. If we talk about the placement, these are the top recruiter for the IIT Delhi. Toshiba, Intel, Infotech, Qualcomm and Dell. These are some important, or we can say the top recruiter for the IIT Delhi. We talk about the important dates for the advertisement: second last week of March, beginning online application last week of March, return test last week of May, and date of return test will be first week of Jan. So in this date, student, you will get a roughly idea. You guys need to visit the website time to time, and student, whenever any update will come, we will also come up with the update on this YouTube channel only. Okay, guys. So if we talk about IIT Kanpur, NIF ranking is 5, QS ranking is 277. If we talk about the next specialization offered by the IIT Kanpur, for the electronics and communication student, microelectronics and VLSI, RF and microwave, signal processing and communication and network, control and automation, and photonics. Student, if we talk about the general cutoff for these streams, 2021 and 2022, the streams will be 811, 883, 750, 897, 762, 856, 783, 880, 726 and 784 respectively. Similarly, we are having for EWS, OBC, SC, ST also. Now I am going for the next, guys. If we talk about the top recruiters, then these are the top recruiters, guys. Microsoft, Intel, IBM, or Samsung and Dell for IIT Kanpur. If we talk about the important dates, it is more or less similar or nearby. Advertisement second week of March, beginning of online application last week of March. Here return tests are interscheduled last week of May and first week of June. If we talk about IIT Kharagpur, and this is the IIT Kharagpur actually conducted GATE 2022 exam that you know very well. Its NIRF ranking is 6, its QS ranking is 280. Student, these are the specialization. This is most important slide, guys. You guys can take the screenshot also, because generally students are having doubt that, sir, which specialization provided by which IIT. So here I am covering, student, IIT Kharagpur provide, or we can say that offers you control system engineering, instrumentation and signal processing, microelectronics and VLSI design, RF and microwave engineering, telecommunication system engineering, and visual information and embedded system engineering. You guys can see these are the specialization provided by IIT Kharagpur for electronics and communication students. If we talk about the general cutoff, you guys can see the cutoff. General 744, 775. Here you can see 748, 771. For microelectronics 803, 803. In the same 2021 and 2022 general cutoff, this is 681, 712, 698, 738, 731 and 750. Similarly, you guys can check the cutoff for the other streams, other category as well. If we talk about the placement, these are the top recruiters in the IIT Kharagpur, NV India, Toshiba, Sony, Samsung, Dell, and these placement companies you guys can when you will visit the IIT Kharagpur website, you guys can see in the gallery section, you will get these company name also. Okay, so whatever information, guys, we have collected in this session, that all are official information, and that we are getting from the official website of IIT only. If we talk about the next student advertisement, as I told you, second last week of March, beginning of online application last week of March, return test last week of May, and the date of return test is first week of June. IIT Roorkee student, if we talk about the IIT Roorkee part, a student NIRF ranking is 7, its QS ranking is 400, its QS ranking is 400. If we talk about the specialization offered by the IIT Roorkee student, communication system, microelectronics and VLSI, RF and microwave engineering, and system and control. If you talk about the general cutoff, guys, communication, microelectronics, RF, and system and control, it will be general and EWS, OBC, SC, ST for 19 and 20, 64.4, 71, 69, approximately 74, so approximately 63, 74, 78, and 74. So these are the general cutoff, student. But why I am showing these cutoff, students, so that you will get a enough approximate nearby ideas that for which IIT you guys need to apply and for which specialization you need to apply according to your GATE score. So student, whatever you will get the result, you guys can see. So student, we can say that it is morally, we can say that the important dates column na, it is nearby same only for all the IITs. So we can say that लगभग सब आसपास के टाइम पे ही ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन निकालते हैं. किसी का फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून है, सेकंड वीक ऑफ जून या फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ लास्ट वीक ऑफ मई है. तो दीज आर द डेट जो कि मैं बोलूंगा कि लगभग सभी का सेम है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट IIT Guwahati, its NIRF ranking is 8, its QS ranking is 395. If we talk about the communication engineering, guy, these are the specializations provided by IIT Guwahati: communication engineering, RF and photonics, signal processing and machine learning, VLSI, system control and automation. Student, if we talk about this its cutoff respectively to the specialization, general, EWS, OBC. So cutoff will be 741, 665, 718, 624, 757, 6754, 818, 742, 770 and 741. These are the general cutoff as far as these branches are concerned. These specialization are concerned, and these are the different cutoff for different category. You guys can take the screenshot as well. So this is all about IIT Guwahati, my dear student. If we talk about the placement, top recruiter, Amazon, Intel, Infotech, Samsung, and Dell. Okay guys, so these are the important dates. As I told you already, the dates are more or less same only for different IITs. लगभग सब आसपास ही डेट पे आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट देने वाले हैं और एग्जाम डेट कनेक्ट करने वाले हैं. If we talk about ISC Bangalore, NIRF ranking is 2, QS ranking is 187, QS ranking will be 186, and this NIRF ranking is 2 only. The specialization offered by the electronics and communication for ISC Bangalore. So these are the specialization provided by or offered by ISC Bangalore for the electronics and communication student: communication and networking, information and coding theory, wireless communication, AI, ML for communication, cyber physical systems, and signal and information sciences. So these are the specializations provided by ISC Bangalore. If we talk about the cutoff, student, these are the general cutoff for ISC Bangalore 2021, 2020. So these are the, many students want to apply in the ISC Bangalore, very good and renowned institution, my dear student. 808-826, 808-826, 808-826. So you can see that for the first three, the cutoff are same only. Here 710-926, 710-926, and again 710-926. So student, these are the general cutoff that is for the different branches for ISC Bangalore, and these are the dates, student. Here we can see that first week of May. The date of written test and interview is called what? First week of May. Generally it is first week of June or last week of May, but ISC Bangalore written test exam is in first week of May. It is second week of April. The schedule, the beginning of online process, and is last week of Feb. So last week of Feb, your registration process start, my dear student, and of course the advertisement second week of March. If we talk about the NIT Tiruchirappalli, student, NIRF ranking is 9, QS ranking is 260. If we talk about the cutoff, communication system, VLSI design, and process control and instrumentation. So these are the general specialization, dear student, specialization offered by this. Okay. If we talk about NIT Suratgarh, we are having NIRF ranking 10, we are having QS India ranking 63. If we talk about the specialization offered, it will be signal processing and machine design, VLSI design and communication engineering, and network design. If we talk about the specialization offered and cutoff, guys, signal processing for the NITs cutoff will be 596, 600, 729, and student, wherever I have mentioned dash dash, its meaning is we don't have a correct data. So student, these all are the cutoff we have. We can say that we have taken from the IIT's website only. So all are the accurate data only, and wherever we are not getting the accurate data, if the cutoff is not uploaded at the IIT's websites, so we have mentioned here as a dash only. So these are the general cutoff, student. You guys can have a basic idea about the range of the cutoff so that you guys can apply in the MTech for that particular specialization accordingly. If we talk about NIT Rourkela, its NIF ranking is 20. In QA Asian University ranking is 2F0, 250. And student, its specialization control and automation, signal and image processing. If we talk about its specialization offered and cutoff, so cutoffs control and automation, communication and network, 2019, 2020. So these are the general cutoff, guys. These are the general cutoff. These are the general cutoff. 687, 653, 617, 648. If we talk about student NIT Warangal, NIRF ranking is 23 and QS Asian University ranking. So NIF ranking is 23. If we talk about the specialization offered, it's advanced communication. These are the specialization offered, guys. Advanced communication system, VLSI design system, and electronics, instrumentation and embedded system. These are the specialization provided by NIT Warangal. Okay, guys. So if we talk about the next, about the cutoff. So these are the cutoff for the NIT Warangal, 19 and 20 for general, EWS, OBC, SC and ST. So student, these are the cutoff for the advanced communication, VLSI system, electronics and instrumentation and embedded system. If we talk about NIT Calicut, then its ranking is, NIRF ranking in engineering is 25 and NIRF ranking overall 95. Student, if we talk about specialization offered, signals and system, signals and image processing, microelectronics and VLSI, signal processing and telecommunication. So these are the specialization offered by the NIT Calicut. So if we talk about student, the general cutoff, to electronics design and technology, microelectronics and VLSI, instrumentation and control, signal processing. So student, and here we are having telecommunication also. So 2019 and 2020, these are the general cutoff, guys. 637, 644, 664, 680, 643, 599, 672, 630, 652 and 588. We talk about student in the NITs, the placement and average package. So these are the general basic companies that generally visit the NITs placement. NIT Tiruchipalli, Surathkal, Rourkela, NIT Warangal and NIT Calicut, 7 to 9 LPA average package, my dear student. You guys can see. It is an average package. 7 to 9 LPA. So student, if we talk about the in NITs, how you guys can get admission in the MTech. So as I already told you, in the IIT we are having one portal that is known as COAP. Similarly, here we are having one portal that is known as CCMT. So CCMT, Centralized Counseling and MTech, MTech and MARC and MPlan is an online education. So student, we are talking about a technical degree. So we have to focus on MTech part. So MTech by National Institution of Technology, that is nothing but NIT. Only institution participating in CCMT counseling will work as a reporting centers. So student, in general, if we talk about the event and start date, so start of online CCMT registration fee is first week of June. Last date of online choice filling and locking by the candidate, first week of July. Automatic locking of saved choices will be first week of July. So these are the dates, tentative dates, and these are the events, guys, that you can see. And apart from this, student, we can say that we are having one more renowned institution that allow PGDM, or we can say that postgraduate diploma in your, we can say that industrial engineering, in postgraduate diploma in industrial, and it offered by NITI Mumbai. So if you are having a good score, student, get 2022, and if you want to get a degree of equivalent to MBA, then you guys can follow the NITI Mumbai offer also. So NITI Mumbai also provide offer on the basis of GATE scorecard, and student, you guys can visit the NITI Mumbai website to get the detailed information about the postgraduate diploma courses. Okay guys, if we talk about the next, if you wish to study in abroad, my dear student, so I think these all are we have covered already. Yes. So study in abroad, student, then we are having some the 4 foreign universities that consider GATE scorecard, including National University of Singapore (NUS) and Nanyang Technological University (NTU) in Singapore, and Technical University of Munich and RWTH HN in Germany. So we can say that, student, in Germany and in Singapore, we are having some universities, those will take admission on we can say that by using the GATE scorecard. So by showing the GATE scorecard, student, you guys can take admission for the MS in the foreign universities also. Okay students, so that's all from this session. I hope you guys like this session, and I hope this session is beneficial for those who are looking for MTech admission in IITs, NITs and all. As I told you, student, the similar type of session I have also planned for you for different branches. So my team member already made the video. You guys can get the video on this YouTube channel only. So just stay tuned on this YouTube channel, guys. Just like the video, just share the video, so that it will be helpful for your friends also, your other colleagues also. Okay guys, so we will meet very soon on this YouTube channel for the next upcoming initiatives. And if you wish to learn new subjects, if you wish to prepare for GATE 2023, 2024, if your juniors want to prepare for GATE 2023 and 2024, just inform, my dear student. I am teaching on this IMS GATE Academy platform. You guys can follow me here, and you guys can visit the website imsindia.com/gate, where you will get the detailed information how you guys can take the admission. If you wish to take admission, you can use the code TGA20 to get the 20% discount. And we are having here online batches also, offline batches also. So when you will visit the website, you will get the detailed information about the offline centers as well, home gate classes as well. In the home gate classes, you have opportunity to attend all the live classes by just sitting at your home. And student, we are having home gate English also, home gate Hindi also. So in whichever language you are comfortable, you guys can choose, and you guys can attend our live classes. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.